Take 3.
Welcome to St. Bridget's National School, Cruinniú, County Carlow.
St. Bridget was a nun in Kildare, and she was looking for help off the King of Leinster. Well, she was making a new church. She asked the King of Leinster for land, and he said she could have as much land as her cloak could cover. She wanted land to make her new church that her cloak would cover. When she laid the cloak out on the ground, it started to grow really, really big until there was enough land for her to build her church. She needed a church for the people to learn about religion.
Take 2. My granddad's a farmer, and he would normally never leave the cows alone for too long, and if he would always leave a St. Bridget's cross with them.
Take 1.
My name is Darcy, and a couple of days before St. Bridget's Day, my nanny would always teach me and my sister and my best friend how to make St. Bridget's crosses.
Take 1. My name is Kate, and I remember before me and my daddy and my sisters, we bought jars and we went to the St. Bridget's well in Cruinniú. It was a bit hidden, and it took a few tries for us to find it. And then when we did find it, we filled the jars up with some of the water and we brought them back. Then we put some ribbon in it, in the water, and then we tied the ribbon onto the trees and bushes in our garden.
Take 2. On one of the walls in the school, going around the school, we have like a picture of St. Bridget with her cloak out, and there's loads of houses on the cloak and fields. My name is Alexandra.
And my name is Sophia.
And we're outside our school. This is one of the walls. There is a lovely painting of St. Bridget with her cloak spreading out onto the land. And there's some recognisable landmarks, like there's Huntington Castle and there's the Weaver's Cottage.
My name's Emily, and my granddad comes over every St. Bridget's Day to help me and my brother build St. Bridget's crosses. Hallelujah.